Kylie Deppen with Joyful Health and Wellness based out of New York City, and today I'm going to show you how to make apple raisin romaine salad. And you're going to start with, obviously, romaine. I'm all about simplicity, so I love this stuff. It's from Trader Joe's. It's already washed and cut up for you. It's about 5 cups of romaine salad, or romaine lettuce rather. If you don't have the luxury of a Trader Joe's, you can wash and cut up your own, obviously. Okay, so to that we're going to be adding 1 apple, cored and diced kind of into little chunks. I've already started. I'm going to add those in, and then I'll show you how I did these. And I'm using a Pink Lady apple, which are my absolute favorite. They are a little bit sweet and also tart, and they're really crisp. They don't get mushy, which is great because we're going to be adding dressing, and you don't want your apples to be kind of soggy. It's not good. All right, so just throw that all in there. And to that you're going to add about 1/2 cup of raisins and 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. And then we're going to make our dressing. So our dressing is going to be 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, which is the best vinegar to use. It's really good for your digestive system and also has a lot of vitamins and minerals. And to that, I'm going to just mix everything in the cup so that way you don't have to use a bunch of dishes. You're going to add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And then 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Just get that in there. And then about 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and pepper. Just 1 of each, just for a little bit of seasoning. And you're going to whisk that all together. This is a great dressing. You can use it for anything. If you wanted your dressing a little sweeter, you could add a little bit of honey or agave nectar, but I feel like you've got plenty of sugar with the raisins and the apples. This is a great dressing on any salad, really quick and easy. So just pour your dressing over your salad. And of course you're going to toss it, but it looks so good. I'm going to go ahead and present it to you. This is how to make apple raisin romaine salad. I'm Kylie Deppen with Joyful Health and Wellness, and if you'd like more simple healthy recipes, check out my website at joyfulhealthandwellness.com. Thanks for watching.